Bakit? Global na. Siberia! Oh,
Hello and welcome to our video update for the Philippine Toys, Hobbies and Collectibles Convention 2007. I'm practicing my hosting skills for this Saturday. Yo, my man! Ganda ng pintuan ng Jasper bus line. They have upgraded their bus. Air shaft, may aircon. Para kami sa first class na plane. And nag-meeting kami kanina for the marami kami pinag-meetingan, di ba? So, for the toy convention, we're preparing a lot of new gimmicks, posters. Thank you talaga kay Cycom for galing nila sila kina Alaska, Globeline, Zero TV, ABS-CBN, Lodge Magazine, sa mga sponsors. Thank you talaga for supporting our event. Medyo pagod ako ngayon and I need to take a rest kasi marami na akong ginagawa. Nagtama ba naman? So here, Mark, kumusta? What our new update? Para wala ka matulog.
Wala bang pahinga for the next few months.
So ano bang bagong gimmick natin?
Gimmick? Yung yung Toy-Con, syempre. Tapos yung upcoming event for Toys R Us.
Dapat din mo na mabanggitin yun. Oh, anyway, cut. Oh, any news about the movie toys?
Sold out, Leader Class, Voyager Class, saka yung mga deluxe movie-related products. Ang naiwan na lang, mga Protoform, Starscream, Optimus Prime, yung mga products na yung mga common na makikita mo sa
Kailan yung si Ultimate Bumblebee?
ang slated release is probably end of August. 17-inch with electronic sound. Pag ginawa mo siyang kotse, may tumutugtog ng Wicked Good. Yung Whip It Good pala, yung title na song.
Can you explain about yung RoboVision Optimus Prime?
Yung RoboVision Optimus Prime, mas slightly smaller ng Leader Class. Well detailed, metallic colors compared to the Leader Class. Yung Leader Class medyo, siya, yun yung pinakamaganda. Ito parang subpar lang siya, pero okay din. Maganda yung design, well detailed din. So scale siya with the Deluxe Class. Kasi ang Leader Class malaki talaga. Sobrang laki niya, parang pag tinanasa mo sa vehicle mode, kasi laki ng masterpiece.
So, what are the hottest toys, yung mga chase figures or chase ng mga collectors?
Ngayon, nagdala sila ng Playkit, nag-release sila ng classics, nag-restock sila ng mga old classics na yung Grimlock, meron pa rin, hot item pa rin siya kasi last, per case lang siya. So, tapos, yung Bumblebee 2008 Camaro edition, saka yung, siyempre, Optimus Prime, mabenta talaga yun. Saka yung voice changer, wala na eh.
So, ayun, so thank you Mark of Transformers Philippines. And we will see you this weekend for the Toy-Con and okay, see you, bye-bye.